Hi guys, are you into art? Now you need to know that artwork is also another good niche for YouTube. You need to know that there are different types of art that can be well done and lots of fun to create, like painting, scribble art, and caricature art. Now the one that I got into for many years was sketching and coloring in my art book, and mostly at this time digital art and doing in my iPad Pro, which I will shortly show you, so please don't go away, okay? Other than coloring what you drew, if you add shadow to it, would make it look nicer and cooler, which would make you more proud and satisfied, which I did in most of my artwork. So I am more happy with most of what I drew. So do shadow is follow this step, just like this. And there you go, the flying kiss character. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to follow me on my channel for more regular art updates, tutorials, and inspirations. If you have any art suggestions or ideas that can keep you entertained, then feel free to leave me any comments, okay? So, later.